Rabat, Morocco. Nandito kami ngayon sa Rabat Airport. Gahanap kami ng taxi because we're going to take train to go to Morocco, Marrakesh. It's my third time to visit Morocco and it's always a pleasure to come here. But this time, it's different because it's our kid. So, ito yung first meal namin. Shawarma with juice because we are still waiting for our train. 2 hours pa kaming magwe-wait. So, dito muna kami. And here is Rabatville train station. Okay, naghihintay kami dito ngayon ng train to Marrakesh. Yan. So, going to Marrakesh from Rabat is 4 hours. But the last time, nakuha namin ng 3 hours and 30 minutes lang eh. I wonder why ngayon 4 hours na yung biyahe namin to Marrakesh. So, ito, biyahe. Masakit ng puwet ko sa kakaupo. But, sulit naman kasi the view, ang ganda. Kita ko yung mga red sands. Ayan. Malapit ng mag-sunset. Di pa kami nakakarating sa Marrakesh. Finally, andito na kami sa Marrakesh train station. Ayan, lakad kami papuntang entrance. Ito yung mga kasakay namin. Now, we're going to look again for a taxi and then we will go to our hotel. And after that, siguro maggagala pa kami, lakad-lakad.
Why?
To have our dinner. Now, heading to our hotel. Actually, malapit lang yung aming hotel sa train station eh, but hindi ko pa kasi alam kung saan yun. So, ito, nasa side lang pala.
What's your name?
Siguro mga 3 minutes lang papunta dun sa hotel. Yan, chika-chika with the driver.
Is it near Souk? No, very far.
Si Habi, naghahanap na naman ng souk.
Yeah, this is New Town. What is New Town?
Okay.
Souk, Big Square is Old Medina. Ahbibullah.
So this is our hotel. We will stay here for 3 nights. Ito yung Hotel Lawrence de Arabie. Ang motif nitong hotel na to is hango dun sa movie na Lawrence of Arabia. Yan. So, meron siyang swimming pool. Ang ganda ng kanyang ceiling. Yan. Meron kaming welcome tea and pastry nung dumating kami. Yan. Dito pa rin kami sa lobby. Now, this is our view from our room. It has 2 bedrooms, a small kitchen, and syempre may toilet and bath. Good morning, Marrakesh! Andito kami ngayon to have a breakfast. Ang comment ko sa breakfast is purely basic lang. Don't expect na maraming kang choices. So, it's only pancakes, coffee, pastries. Wala siyang egg, wala siyang ham. So, simple lang. But what I love is dirty and breakfast over the bar area.